Hello and welcome to the final part of my Crochet Jersey tutorial series. I'm now going to be showing you how I sew on the numbers and letters, and you're going to start by attaching your yarn that is the same color as your outline or your number that you'd want, and making a double knot at the end so that when you start weaving it in and out, it stays put and under behind the jersey. So here's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be sure to use your stitch markers to mark down and place out exactly where you want them to go. Figure out if you want it centered and whatever you're happy with, and that's where you put the stitch markers in to hold it in place. You can also use different needles for sewing to hold stuff in, like fabric. However, then you're going to begin by weaving in and out, and it's basically a simple line running stitch, I believe is the term, in embroidery or sewing. And all by hand, you're going to do this around the whole outline of your number for your jersey. And the same thing, you do this for your letters. So here I am going to show you exactly how I do this. You just continue going in and out, working on the very small layer of that outline. If you made one, how I did this outline, if you would like to know for future jerseys, all I did was attach your outline color on any part of your number and then begin with a single crochet all the way around. And that is it. And you attach by slip stitching together to the first single crochet you start on your number, and you can make it as thick as you want. I just did one round and this is what it looked like, and I thought it was perfect. And yeah, so if you would like to add that, that's a fun little tip you get in this video, and you will eventually have your fully put together handmade one of one crochet football jersey. Now this jersey looks a little bit different than the blue one that I was showing you guys through the other video that I'm making, because I ended up getting a custom order during the filming, so I thought, why not show the order for this number 14 Commanders inspired themed jersey, and also show you guys how I do it in real time, as I also work along other fun projects that I have, and this jersey as well. So I can't wait to show you the full jersey at the very end. Stay at the very end to see what it looks like, as well as what my other line's jersey looks like, and stay to the end also for a special discount code. If you're listening, hello, listen up. For a special discount code, if you would like to buy my written patterns for both of my Crochet Jersey PDF pattern and Crochet Jersey 2.0 pattern, you're going to enter the code Crafty with Jackie YT on Etsy at checkout, and you are going to be getting a special discount. I'm not going to tell you, but you're going to love it. So I recommend running to my Etsy before it's too late and making sure that you can get this written pattern if you followed it all the way through. So with that being said, I now am going to continue weaving in and out and doing the outline of this number, as well as the same thing that goes for the letters as well. And I'll be showing that very soon. This is where I'm at with the name Williams. I have W-I-L-L. And yeah, I'm just gonna work on sewing this together. So I have my stitch marker, make sure it's aligned. I come in through the back, I tie a knot, make sure it stays and put it through. And now here I am going to be doing the letters for the back of this jersey, following the same method as I did for the front numbers. So keep watching to see how I do that. But again, just following the outline, making sure once you finish, you go back through right where you started that letter and make a knot using that string to tie it off, and tie with the other string that you started with as well. I think that helps give it a little extra security so it won't go nowhere. And with that being said, stay to the end to see the reveal of this crochet jersey. And now for the reveal. I love this jersey. I think this order turned out so cute. It is a Commanders inspired number 14 for the player Williams, and there she is, all done. I hope you guys were able to make a jersey, and if you did, please feel free to share on social media and tag me at Crafty with Jackie across all socials. I hope you can let me know if this tutorial was helpful or if you have any feedback on where I could improve. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you very soon with the next project I share with you guys.